Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Back in mid-July, I reported on the new features that were being included in the Samsung Galaxy One UI 6.1.1 firmware update. If you missed it, then I highly recommend checking it out, and I will be sure to include a link to that video down in the description below, as well as the pinned comment of this video so that it is easy for everyone to find. It's been close to 2 full months since that report first came out, and Samsung had yet to begin rolling out the update. Granted, since then, we've seen the company resort to delaying the One UI 7.0 beta update as well. So it's possible that they have been working on ironing out some more important bugs throughout this time period. However, we have some good news today, as we've learned that Samsung has finally begun to roll out the One UI 6.1.1 update to the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This firmware update comes with the build number S92XNKSU3AXH7, and it should weigh in at about 2.8 gigabytes in size. It's said that this firmware update is currently being released in Samsung's home country of South Korea, which is on par with how they typically handle smartphone updates like this. Along with the features that I detailed in the previous video, this update will also include the September 2024 security patches as well. An interesting thing to note here is that once you have installed this update, your firmware version will continue to read as One UI 6.1, as Samsung has a history of only including that second decimal on their folding devices. Most of the features included in One UI 6.1.1 are boosting the company's Galaxy AI feature set. Whether it's using AI to render an image from a sketch, to real-time interpretations during phone calls with the Samsung Phone, Google Meet, and even WhatsApp applications. Again, I'll be sure to link to that previous video, as it covers all of the features that will be shipping soon. The company has a history of taking about 2 to 3 weeks to roll out firmware updates like this to various regions. So after a couple of weeks, we should hear news about One UI 6.1.1 being released in another country. This release schedule will continue 1 or 2 regions at a time until the rollout is complete. Anyone who purchased their Samsung Galaxy S24 series phone from a wireless carrier will have to wait an additional 2 to 6 weeks, since these updates have to go through a completely separate vetting process, which can take quite a while in some instances. So, if you hear about the update getting released in the United States, then it may take a few extra weeks before your wireless carrier is able to release it for your device. And once Samsung gets close to finishing the S24 rollout, the company will begin expanding this release to other devices, such as the S23 series, S22 series, and their recent fold and flip devices. If you have any questions about this rollout, or about One UI 6.1.1 in general, then do not hesitate to leave a comment down below. And please, remember to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Samsung Galaxy news like this.